Right, this thing is wicked. Look at this. There it goes. All right, so this is where the Thames opens out into the English Channel. This particular area, what it's sort of known for, is all of these little shipwrecks that you can see are there intentionally. The reason I've come here to this location is because this area, this mudland, is what's known as a marine graveyard, right? So the reason I've come here is there's one particular, I believe I've actually gone past where I was supposed to turn off to go and see it. I think that big one that I was looking at nearer the start was the one that I was supposed to be aiming for. Anyway, this particular, I don't know if you call it a wreckage or what, it's an art installation, and I think it was put there in 2014, and it's what it is, right, is it's a boat that was made in 1930 something. I want to say 1932, right? Anyway, the idea of this vessel, I guess, is I like it. I'm not a big arts guy, but I like what this art piece is supposed to represent. What are you gonna do about this sign? Yeah, you'll be right. All right, let's go down here now, because you're about to hit those trees. All right, madam, come down here. Oh, it does as well. Look at that, it's coming right around to me. Excellent. Right, yeah, here we go. I'm here on, I can't remember where exactly this is. It's like, I think it's called like Two Tree Island or something. It's in Leigh-on-Sea, and there's all these like derelict, forgotten, I guess technically shipwrecks, right? Come on, you, back down you go. Land on the hand. Bro's running away from me. There's all of these, I guess that you call them shipwrecks. They're basically just, they run them aground and they're like, I'm done with that one, and they leave it here to rot away. And that's the kind of function of this place. It's an area where things go to be forgotten, right? And the reason why I wanted to look at this boat was because it represents an interesting kind of paradox of drawing attention to things that are intended to be forgotten, right? And I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, I think that the big one that I saw at the start was the one that I was actually looking for. So I'm retracing my steps. It's not that far away, dude. It's like a 5-minute walk from where you park the car. But yeah, it's a weird place. Oh, look, there's like a little fiberglass one right there. I'll stick that in the boot. I'll take it home with me. Clean it up, that'd be right. That'd be seaworthy once again. But yeah, I really like this place. I like the idea behind this installation, right? Because it's a wooden ship, and on it have been carved, I'm not sure exactly what is carved in there specifically, but it's the names of, like, you know, businesses that are no longer there, buildings that have been knocked down, people that have died, all that sort of stuff have been carved onto this boat, and it's been put here intentionally to, you know, over the decades just disintegrate into dust and be blown around this marshland. And I just like the idea of, it's almost like an anti-time capsule. It's just an interesting concept to me, right? Because it's been put there intentionally to disappear rather than to be dug back up in a few decades or whatever. The intention of it is to vanish, right? And take the memories literally carved onto it with it. It's kind of morbid, it's a little bit sad, but I think it's very interesting regardless. Yeah, here we go, here we go. It's these little concrete pillars leading up to it. I thought it was a lot further in. It's like I'm just parked on like the opposite side of all those boats over there. It's not even 10 minutes walk from the car park. It's incredible. The perfect attraction for a lazy boy like me. Right, this plaque, I imagine. Oh, Graveyard of Lost Species. There we go. Oh, here we go. We got all the information on it. I don't even need to bother looking it back up. It's a temporary monument by artist collectives Yuha and Critical Art Ensemble. Graveyard of Lost Species celebrates the local tradition of wrecking boats on the salt marsh. The work acts as a physical but decaying memory of what has passed or is changing. The project records and acknowledges wildlife, marine creatures, microbes, people, livelihoods, fishing methods, landmarks, mythologies, and local dialects that once flourished in the Thames estuary but now disappearing under multiple scales of threat. Yeah, that representation and the intention that it's supposed to be forgotten, it just does it for me, you know? I think it's great. There you go, look, back in the day it had like a mast on it. It was built in 1933. When was it put here? The summer of 2015. So it's been here for just over 10 years, and look how much it's deteriorated already. Look, it had the ropes, the mast, all that sort of stuff, and you look at it now and it's just a lump in this wasteland. Let's go have a closer look at it. Ah, here she is. Oh, dearie me. I'm getting my shoes sucked off. Right, look at this thing. Oh, it's so muddy. It's so muddy. Oh, it's really muddy. I don't know how close I can get to it. Not very. Hang on, let's have a little look. Ooh, here we go, here we go. It's so wet. It's so wet. Well, hang on, that's not too bad. Watch me get stuck in quicksand. That'd be a good start to the year, wouldn't it? Here we go. Look at this thing. Look at that. Ooh. Come on, down you go. Down you go. Yeah, stop.
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
Oh, well that's handy because I was done with you anyway. Thank you, madam. All right, you can go to bed. Right, look where I've been slipping, man. It's so slippery. I wish I could get a bit closer. Let's try, let's see what happens. I can't see. It looks like it's on the inside of it, things have been carved. I don't think that I could get inside it. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna try going around the front. My shoes are caked. Man, I'm gonna need to try and find a puddle to splash through. Oh, I don't know if I can get around the front of that. It'd be cool to go inside it. Oh, that's not too, ooh. Bro, look at that sinking. Ooh, I don't know about this. Oh, hang on, that's solid. That's solid. Here we go, around we go. All right, here we go, why not? Oh, those were some nasty nails. Good thing I've had a tetanus recently. Oh, here we go. All right, inside the belly of the beast. I'm caked in moss. Right, let's see what it says, because I could see some writing on the inside here. Let's get one that's a bit, the ones on the left-hand side, or the, I don't know whether it's port or starboard or whatever it is. Just say left or right, like normal people, you know how it is. Right, what we've got written down here then? Southend Holidays, the Kersal Fairground. Stuff like that. It's things that don't exist no more, that have been put here as like the final acknowledgement that they ever existed. What have we got here? Essex Pirate Radio. I can't read that, there's a bit of wood there. All sorts. Yeah. Look at this engine, man. You better WD-40 on there, that'd be alright, get it working. Oh, I think it might be seized, bro. Yeah, it's no good. Blimey, yeah. Oh, it's like, I think it said, because I found this through Atlas Obscura, right? And it says it's a power spot. And I'm like, yeah, right. Maybe it's just because it's so quiet here, but it does feel kind of like airy. It feels like you're walking inside a grave. But yeah, I just thought that this was such an interesting idea as a piece of art. I'd say it before, I'm not really an art guy, but this piece just does it for me, you know? Say, it's been here for getting on 11 years now, and it's already in quite a sorry state. So in another 15-20 years, it'll likely be gone entirely. Maybe just a little patch of timber in this landscape. All right, getting back out, it's going to be a difficult part. All this wood's covered in like slime and it's very, very slippery. Yeah, there's stuff written on this side as well, but it's a lot more faded. I'm assuming that maybe that side's more protected from the weather and it blows in and lands on this side. I don't know. I think it's great. Fantastic little object. Anyway, right, out we get. Oh, those are some lovely sharp nails to gore yourself on. Just squeeze your post-Christmas gut out. Oh, it got me a little bit. All right, and freedom. Here we are. Dearie me, it's so wet. Look at the mess. These jeans were perfectly clean this morning. Yeah, that's kind of like just a documentation shot to observe it, right? So if I can take a shot directly down the middle of it. Okay, I'm not super focused on taking pictures, but I did just want to come and see it. I just wanted a small outing, one little thing to start the year off with. It's a little bit of a grim start to the year, but you know what? I think it's interesting and it's worth it. All right, I think that'll about do then.